full days of eating over the weekend whilst I'm on my period. Hi, my name is Gail and welcome to my channel. Let's go check it out. It's Saturday. It's raining. I got my period just before 5 a.m. this morning. I suffer from low blood sugar, IBS, and iron deficiency. So sometimes even days before my period, I really don't feel well. Sometimes I am down for the count and I'm not doing anything. I must admit, today I'm not feeling too bad, and I truly hope this feeling will last throughout my period. I'm going to take you along on my weekend and also show you what I eat during this period. Come, let's go have some breakfast. Get a knife for this one. I'm quite hungry. It's probably gonna rain for most of the day, maybe even tomorrow, I don't know. Just want to clean up here quickly. I had my nephew over yesterday. I was babysitting, and I'm hoping I'm gonna have him over on Monday as well. His mommy's looking for a creche for him, and so I was very happy to have him. I'm just gonna pack this away and take it out again on Monday. So I'm about to do some yoga, maybe like 15 minutes or so, something really mild and not hectic, because I'm feeling not too lekker, if you know, but I still want to move my body and stuff. If you're wondering what that contraption is, it's a lamp and another lampshade on top of it, and with my gown. And that's a rechargeable light in there. I'm not sure what you call it. I'm saying rechargeable, but you charge it with normal electricity. It's plugged in and everything. And when the power goes off, because we still have a load shedding, which is scheduled power interruptions, power, lights, everything goes off. Well, electricity goes off. And then that bulb, it keeps the charge. So then I have some light, and I put the gown over there and the extra shade so that it's not too bright before I go sleep. And if I want it a little bit brighter, if it's earlier in the evening, then I'll just take top shade and the the night, it's not a gown, what is it? Yeah, it's the gown, and just take that off. Yeah, so I'm going to keep this on because I'm not planning on doing anything too hectic. So I am really comfy because you can hear it's raining. I don't know if you can, but it is raining outside. Yeah, that's it. Let's get cracking. After breakfast, I opted for gentle movement in the form of yoga. Making a butternut soup for myself and my family. It's perfect for a rainy day I am not following a recipe, but I will leave a recipe I've used before at the end of the video. I honestly did not feel like making a bread, so we bought this baked bread from a shop. It did the trick and I'm happy. Situation that I showed you this morning. Well, it did charge a little bit the morning side, but I forgot to charge it a little bit. I'm just gonna take the shade and this off. So that's a bit more light in the morning. boy. Hey, sweetheart. Good morning. Good morning, Ma. I was just checking if... Oh, there's some debate going on inside that I need to go check out. I was just checking if it's still raining, but it probably doesn't matter. I'm gonna go to a second-hand store I went on my birthday. There's an item that I didn't get that I really wanted to get, and so fingers crossed that it's still there. It's just started to rain again, but it's okay. I spotted something that I like over here, and that's 80 bucks, and this one is 60 because it's chipped. Ooh, some coral. Alright, and these are cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, love. I'm very excited. This is what we got. And then we just stopped at this Bay Center, and my other bee is just quickly gonna go buy something inside of Pick and Pay, and then I am thinking of quickly making a turn at the beach. I just want to go pick up some pebbles. That's if it's not raining too hard. Pebbles, stones, whatever.
To look at.
Okay, so I'm just gonna... I actually want to be over there. Over here we have some glass shells. Odin, can you move away for 1 second, please? I picked these up on my birthday weekend, a Sunday, and I got some more today. It was raining and there was people fishing, so I didn't want to go over there. I couldn't really. There were fishing lines all over the place, so this is just what I got on the beach. You can see they're full of sand still. Shells. So again, we've got nice weather. on, wait, Odin. No, 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 no. I wanted to show you what I bought last time. I did film it and I don't know if I'm going to use that footage. That's why I just thought I'll show this again. I don't know if I got this for 120 or 150 for both picture frames. Can't remember, but I know I got a discount. I'd varnish it or whatever, I don't know, but I'm gonna clean up the glass and I'll take the old picture out. And then this piece, I absolutely love it. The frame, it is cracked and it's broken, but that's expected. I mean, you can see it's an old piece, but I just love it. And then this is the piece I got today. That's the piece I wanted, and I also got it at a discounted price. But these two really go well together. Love picking up bargains, one-of-a-kind pieces, or you know, things that you don't always see. Then you'll love this place. I am making spicy tea. For this. Pause the video for the recipe. I've got a mask on. I'm just gonna do that, and then I'm gonna read a book. Our power's going off in about an hour's time, and it's probably gonna be off for like 2 hours. So when it comes on, I'm either gonna dye my hair or I'm going to edit a little bit. We'll see. But I'm gonna have some coffee right now and some biscuit while I read a book, and you know, just enjoy my mask and some quality time. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.